incredibly excited. For someone who used to work quite a lot in Wakefield, I know that the town is in desperate need for some proper entertainment facilities. I know that we're going to be the ones delivering that, and I'm going to have the pleasure of running it. I can't wait just to get in and get it done. What can't they expect? That's a better question. We're going to have 24 bowling lanes, laser tag, karaoke, interactive darts, bar, food, a massive arcade with machines you'll never even have heard tell of or seen of. Anything you want to spend your pennies on, we're going to have it, and we're going to give you great service on the other side of it. Open and welcome to everybody from across the community. That's the whole point. We're going to be a community hub. So I want newborn babies coming in to old age pensioners. That's everybody in between. When are you coming?
A really long time in the making, but finally here. Everybody's really excited to get going. It's going to be a really quick turnaround and get the venue open. Okay, absolutely blown away with the work, finally getting started. The anticipation's been massive. We're really excited about finally getting works done and opening to the people of Wakefield. Yeah, definitely. We're well aware Wakefield's not had a bowling centre for a number of years, and we're really proud to bring a bowling centre to Wakefield and also to offer job opportunities to a lot of the local people as well and be part of the local community. For what we hear, it's a place to be, and certainly it's one of the main hubs of Wakefield. So what better place to open a Tenpin site than in Trinity Walk?
In the 1960s, since Wakefield City has had a bowling alley, so it's been much sought after, and we're delivering it right here at Trinity Walk. It'll be absolutely fantastic. It takes us into the nighttime economy and leisure, but it'll also increase our footfall massively. It's huge, it's absolutely huge, not just for Trinity Walk, but for the city and district. People are having to go further afield for that experience. They won't have to do that anymore, they'll just have to come straight into the city centre.